Welcome to our exploration of the F-35 Lightning, the world's most advanced stealth fighter jet. Developed by Lockheed Martin, this fifth-generation aircraft combines unmatched speed, agility, and cutting-edge technology. With its revolutionary stealth capabilities, advanced sensors, and versatility, the F-35 is redefining modern air combat. Join us as we dive into its design, features, and how it's reshaping military aviation across the globe. Stay tuned for an inside look at this incredible flying machine. Let's go to the video. Number 1. History of the F-35 Lightning. The F-35 Lightning, developed by Lockheed Martin, originated from the Joint Strike Fighter program in the 1990s. Designed as a multi-role stealth aircraft, it serves the US and allies, excelling in air-to-air, air-to-ground, and intelligence missions. Number 2. Background and capabilities of the F-35 Lightning jet. The F-35 Lightning, developed under the Joint Strike Fighter program, was designed to replace older fighter jets like the F-16, A-10, and F/A-18. Introduced by Lockheed Martin in the early 2000s, it is a fifth-generation, multi-role stealth fighter. Its advanced stealth technology reduces radar visibility, while its supersonic speed ensures superiority in combat. The F-35 integrates cutting-edge avionics, sensors, and network capabilities, allowing seamless data sharing with allied forces. It comes in 3 variants: conventional takeoff and landing, short takeoff/vertical landing, and carrier-based, making it adaptable for various missions worldwide. Number 3. The production line about the F-35 Lightning jet. The F-35 Lightning II production line, operated by Lockheed Martin, is one of the most advanced manufacturing facilities in the world. Located in Fort Worth, Texas, it uses state-of-the-art automation, robotics, and precision assembly techniques. The production process involves global supply chain coordination, with major components sourced from partner nations. The assembly line operates on a modular basis, allowing efficient integration of parts for the 3 F-35 variants. Advanced quality control systems ensure each jet meets rigorous standards. This innovative production approach supports high output while maintaining flexibility for upgrades and customizations. Number 4. The F-35 Lightning is a robotic design. The F-35 Lightning II relies on advanced robotics for its precision manufacturing. Lockheed Martin's production facilities integrate robotic systems for tasks like drilling, fastening, and composite material placement, ensuring consistency and accuracy. Automated guided vehicles transport components efficiently across the assembly line. Robots assist in applying stealth coatings, critical for radar evasion, with a level of precision unattainable by humans. Additionally, robotic systems inspect and test components to meet strict quality standards. This automation reduces production time and errors, enhances safety, and ensures the F-35 meets its performance and stealth requirements. Number 5. The end of the F-35 Lightning production line. The final phase of the F-35 Lightning production line focuses on the integration and rigorous testing of the aircraft. After assembly, the jets undergo a detailed inspection process, where each component is checked for quality and functionality. The aircraft then undergoes test flights to verify performance, systems integration, and stealth capabilities. Any adjustments or refinements are made to meet the strict standards set for combat readiness. Once these tests are complete, the aircraft is officially delivered to the customer, whether it be the U.S., military, or an allied nation. The final production phase ensures the F-35 is battle-ready and meets mission requirements. Number 6. F-35 Lightning Cockpit Demo. The F-35 Lightning's cockpit is designed for maximum efficiency and situational awareness. It features a state-of-the-art glass cockpit with a large touchscreen display that consolidates flight and mission data. The pilot uses a helmet-mounted display system that projects critical information directly onto the visor, eliminating the need for traditional cockpit gauges. This allows for a more intuitive and immersive flying experience. The cockpit is also designed for ease of operation, with controls and systems optimized for quick access, ensuring pilots can focus on their mission without distraction. Advanced ergonomics and high-tech systems provide enhanced control and safety. Number 7. The helmet of the F-35 Lightning. The F-35 Lightning features a unique helmet-mounted display system, HMDS, which provides pilots with critical flight and mission data directly onto their visor. This advanced system eliminates the need for traditional cockpit displays, offering enhanced situational awareness. The helmet allows pilots to see through the aircraft structure, providing a 360-degree view of the surroundings, significantly improving targeting, navigation, and overall combat effectiveness. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video and found it interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Before you go, leave your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback keeps us motivated to create even more exciting content for you.